Hey, what's happening, everybody? We're going to be talking about 5 little secrets to keep in mind on your journey called fashion design. Number 1, pressing is magic. Ironing as you sew will make your work look instantly professional. So keep on ironing every time you sew a seam, sew a stitch, so that you don't have to come back to ironing the same thing. Number 2, seam allowance is everything. 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter is 2 centimeter. Even half a centimeter will change the whole look of the garment. So whatever you decided on, stick with that seam allowance from the beginning till the end. Number 3, your needle size matters. Even the wrong sized needle will ruin a good fabric. So if the fabric is heavyweight, use anything from size 80 to 130 size needle. If the fabric is lightweight, use anything from 80 to 65 depending on how light the fabric is. Number 4, unpicking is normal. Every designer unpicks. It's part of the process, people. So start getting with the process and start learning to love your unpicker. Number 5, you're building a skill for life, everybody. So celebrate your small wins. Be kind to yourself because you're going to be with yourself for a while. So you better start loving the process. Alright, that's it for me. Let me know what your 5 secrets on this life called fashion design. And let us keep assisting, keep sharing, keep educating our fellow creatives out there. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Otherwise, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.